Hello friends, Father Frank Pavone here, National Director of Priests for Life, with thoughts about preaching the pro-life message for the third Sunday of Easter in Year A. The responsorial psalm tells us, "You will show me the path to life." And St. Peter declares, "You were ransomed from your futile conduct." In other words, the life of the risen Christ, poured into us by baptism, becomes a path, becomes a way of life, a way of new life that replaces the futile conduct of sinful life. And in particular, as illumined by the gospel reading of the Emmaus journey, the futile contact or the futile way of life in the past is marked by despair. Notice how those disciples walking along the road to Emmaus were, as one translation puts it, looking downcast. We can think that perhaps they didn't recognize Jesus because their eyes were on the ground instead of looking up at his face. And their minds and their feelings were enveloped in the despair reflected by their words, "We were hoping that he would be the one to redeem Israel." And sometimes we give death more credit than it deserves. We give the culture of death more credit than it deserves. It has been conquered. Those disciples didn't realize it yet, and they were letting their despair take center stage. Now we are called to let hope take center stage. Hope born of a new life that is given to us so that we can live that life of faith, hope, and charity. That life that defends life with that confidence that the culture of death and the kingdom of death have in fact been defeated. The futile way of conduct of despair is precisely what leads to the evils of abortion and euthanasia. It is despair to think I cannot bring a child into this world. It is despair to think I cannot handle what this pregnancy means. That then leads to the temptation of violence that is represented by abortion. And also, the temptation to despair is what leads to requests for euthanasia and assisted suicide. Let's proclaim hope today, that we may walk the path of life and build a culture of life. God bless you.